Here's a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder thanks to its comfortable seating for 7 and strong towing capability. It's well equipped with the features you need: continuously variable automatic transmission, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book reports a large upward-sloping grille and 2 large headlight housings convey toughness, but for the most part, the latest Pathfinder projects a friendly image. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Nissan of Norfolk, we have a wide variety of new and used cars, Nissan incentives, service specials, and Nissan part savings. We're located in Norfolk, Virginia, and proudly serve the areas of Virginia Beach and Newport News.